121724 Creek House. We're in the attic. So that is a 16-volt transformer. On the other side is AC voltage 120 going into it. Now, the doorbell is sitting right here underneath this brown wire. So whatever powers up this brown wire will get the doorbell to work. So what I did is this here is coming from the door switch. What I did is the doorbell wire is coming out with a white and red. So I took one of the reds and connected to a red that goes all the way to the doorbell. Then the white that's coming in from the doorbell, I connect it to a black wire and it touches the transformer, and then it doesn't really matter left or right. And from there, I took another black wire coming out of the transformer, and I'm going to go right back into the white wire that now is feeding the doorbell. So ultimately, once I go outside and I touch these two wires together like this, the doorbell will ring. Because one of it, the red wire, is already completely connected to the doorbell. And then the white wire is going to the transformer, getting power, coming back out, and coming into the white wire. So if I'm going to put a Google or Ring doorbell out there, when I put my voltmeter into AC mode, where is my voltmeter? It's in here. Once I put my voltmeter in AC mode out there, I'll see 16 volts. And that'll power up the smart door with the camera. And then from there, it connects to Wi-Fi, and then we're all good. Risker out.